Now, how do you convert in between mixed number and improper fraction? In the first example, we will talk about how to rewrite or convert 3 4/5 into improper fraction. Before we do any math, we should first understand what 3 4/5 means by first drawing a picture of them. So this 3 bars means the 3 whole, and the 4/5 will be part of a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces right here, and we will shade in 4 of the 5. Since each piece at the bottom is divided into 5, I'll now proceed and do the same for the 3 whole pieces. And I'll shade them in, giving that they're the 3 holes that will be taking up. So that makes 5 pieces right here. 5 on the second hole, 5 on the third hole, but only 4 for the 4/5 part. And if you add them together, that should give you 19 pieces. And 5 whole pieces from here makes a whole. So you have 19 out of 5 from this picture. And this is called improper fraction. Now, how do you do the same mathematically? With 3 4/5, the first thing you must do is take the whole number 3 and times it with the denominator. You got 15. After that, you would add the 15 with the numerator, which gives you 19. And the last step will be writing the answer over the denominator from here. So how's that connecting to the top? In here, the 15 is basically the 3 whole pieces, which you can multiply to get. And since the 4 is right here from the fraction, you add it back to get 19. And then you write it as a fraction of the denominator. In writing, this will be the whole number times the denominator. And this step is to add the result to the numerator. And the last thing is write the answer over the denominator. Now, how do you write 16 as a mixed number? We will begin with a picture again to make sure we know what it means. In the denominator right here, the 6 means is 6 pieces per whole. So that's what we will do. We will make a whole and divide it into 6 pieces. This is 6 pieces right here. Another whole. We'll make another 6 pieces. That's already 12 pieces. And from the 16, we only get 4 pieces left. So you draw another picture, but you can't shade in everything because you only got 4 more pieces to make up the 16. And that makes 4 pieces right here. And that should total up to 16 from the numerator. And to write it in part-whole relationship, you get 2 whole pieces right here and the 4 6 left, which you can also simplify 2 4 6 to 2 2/3 by dividing the 4 and the 6 by 2. So mathematically, how can you get the same answer? You should know that this bar means dividing, which you should know from the order of operation video. So I can actually proceed and do long division. 16 divided by 6. 6 can only go into 16 2 times. And when you subtract the 2 times, which will bring it 12, you get 4 as the leftover. And since 6 cannot go into 4, that's the remainder. So 2 remainder 4. That means you have 2 whole pieces with a remainder 4 out of what you're dividing by right here. So that is the whole number. That is the remainder. And this is the divisor, which is also the original denominator. That's it for the lesson.